Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do directory submissions, block commenting and web 2.0s for getting a higher quality backlinks to your site. Okay, so in the last class I have shown you few off-page optimization techniques. Among those, directory submissions, block commenting and web 2.0 sites. So I have taken these techniques to get a quality backlinks to ours. First of all, let me just discuss about directory submissions. So what is this directory submissions means? So you might have experienced with the directories like web directories, websites where you can, it works same like a search engines actually. So earlier, when we don't have like a Google's and all that kinds of search engines, people used to use that kinds of sources like web directories where you can find out a lot of information. People used to use those resources to find out some information. So now many people are using some search engines like Google, Yahoo and all. So those are called as simply web directories. It is same like a phone directory. Now if you can take the phone directories, you can find out each and everything like phone numbers and all. So the same here, directory submission, you can find out each and every information over there. So what I will do here, I'll choose one directory submission site and I will submit my website in a directory submission. Okay, this is the very basic method to do off-page optimization. Okay, see, listen. Now let us see how we can do this directory submissions. So I just wrote a blog on directory submissions. Let me show you that. uh, Top 300 plus high DA and PA directory submission sites list. Okay, so this is a blog I wrote in my website. Let me click this. So here I just wrote about directory submission, what it is exactly. So I just wrote some content. From here it starts. So what exactly the directory submission is and importance of directory submissions. So steps to be followed to perform directory submissions. Okay. So now let us start. Here I have shown you like top 300 plus high DA and PA directory submission. So 300 plus submission sites I have listed out here. So you have to perform in each and every website. You have to submit your website in each and every website. Okay. So this is for directory submission. Now I know I haven't shown the DA and PA of each and every website. You can just check it. So I told you, right? So we will be having some tools to check a domain authority and page authority. Okay, let me just go with the one website like
Ma'am, this is for relevance website or
directory submissions. It's like if you open that website, it will show you the relevancy. You need to select the category here.
okay.
Okay, so select the category
Okay,
and submit
okay,
your website. Okay.
okay. So these are the websites like where we can go and see like
Mm.
okay.
Okay, so here you can check a domain authority and page authority with the help of tools like domain authority checkers. So if you search like this, then you'll find a lot of results over here. Let me just choose this domain authority check. So what you have to do here, enter your
domain
URLs. Okay, so for which you want to check the domain authority and page authority, you can just copy the domain URL and then enter it here. Right, so here I can see domain authority is 28 and page authority is 52. Right, so in such a way, for whatever the website you want to check the domain authority, you can just simply check it. Now I found that this website consists of a domain authority like 28 and page authority is like 52, so I can happily go with this website. Okay. So this is one website. So what we have to do is, first of all, choose a category. So browse your online general web directory websites organized by category. Okay, so under which category your website comes? Marketing, real estate, shopping, travel, health, and computer. Okay, let me go with internet.
Yes.
Okay, so again under internet, so under which subcategory your website comes, like here it shows you like blogs, chats and forums, domain names, downloads, e-commerce, search
Search
engine
engine
optimizer.
optimization.
So again it's fine. So if my website comes under all these topics, you can just go ahead. Let me go with this, submit your website. Okay, so the structure might not be same for each and every website. You have to find out that option. So some websites will show you like a submit a link, submit the blog, so in such a way it will show you the thing. So here it is showing me like a submit your website, right? So welcome to direct webs directly blog. So here the first thing is, it is asking me website title. Okay, so what it is asking me, title. What is mean by title again?
Meta title,
Domain name.
domain name. No.
So here it is showing mention the company or a website name in the
Yeah.
title. Okay, so here you
Okay.
can just go ahead. The next, website URL. What does it mean, website URL?
Website name, domain
Yeah,
name.
which website I have to give here?
Same our website
Same.
only.
Our website
Oriented. Yeah.
for which you are doing a off page, right?
Yeah.
Then enter your email address. Then next, site description. So what it is the site is all about. Okay, you just need to write a description about your site.
The procedure will be same for e-commerce website also, or only for blogs?
Depends on the category again. So now I have selected the category like internet. So if you choose a travel, so it might be different. So it just asks you whatever the category might be. So it will ask you the same things like a title, a website name, and email address and all.
No, the web directory is only for blog site or something.
No. For every website you can do it. E-commerce website, blogging website, service oriented. For every website you can do it. I just tried writing here. The next thing here, free review, sponsored, featured, future review. Can you see here? Did you find any difference? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
does it mean here? So again, you can perform off-page optimization in three ways. So first thing is a free. The next thing is a reciprocity. And the next thing is a sponsored. Free means you can happily submit your website for free. Okay, so but in order to accept your link, so it will take some time. It might take 1 month or 2 months, or it might take 2 days or 3 days. We cannot predict the time, but So here it is showing you the sponsored ads also. Can you see sponsored review? So it is charging you like a $49, okay, and reviewed within 2 business days. Can you see they are saying that your link will be reviewed in just 2 days? That means you will be getting a backlink in just 2 days, but you have to pay.
$49. Yeah.
So you have to pay $49. That means
Chitra, this is taken by the website, right? I mean, like the
mm,
directory, these guys are charging
directories.
for
These
this.
guys, yes, not Google.
Okay.
These guys is charging. Right. In such a way, what happens that is that comes under sponsored. Now, reciprocity. Reciprocity means what I'll say that if I wants to give you a backlink, you have to give me a backlink.
Me backlink. Yeah.
Reciprocity. Yeah. So never ever go with this reciprocity and sponsored ads. So sponsored, you can go with the guest posting off-page optimization technique, but don't choose a sponsored and reciprocity for other optimization. So when we discuss about guest posting, at the time you'll understand about this sponsor. So at the time you can happily choose the traffic and all, and you can, if you go with the sponsored one also, no problem, because you are getting a genuine traffic. Okay, so remaining all techniques, go with the free version only. So I'll check with the free one. The next comes here. So check once again, submitting your website information here, fine, and then submit. Thanks for your submission. One of our editors will review your submission. Please check your listing status in the submitted category. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to write an email. So what you have to do, so you will be getting a mail also. So now I have given the mail, right? So once your submission has been reviewed, you will be getting a notification for your mail. Okay, you can just check over there. Got it. So
Ma'am,
this is. Mhm.
ma'am, these people will also come and check our website
Oh yeah,
before
that's what.
submitting.
Before submitting, who will check? No, no,
This
no. How
web
they will come
directory.
before submitting? How they will come? So, in order to come only, we are submitting the website, right?
Okay. Okay.
In order to get a backlinks, in order to get some, in order to drive some traffic, we are submitting our website in these directories.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how simple. So that is what I told you. This is the basic steps. So, but what happens is that many people are saying that these directories are outdated ones, but yes, of course, still it is working. Still it is working, but you have to choose a better category. So the best category that suits for your website. Never ever submit your website under irrelevant categories. Okay, yes, of course many people are going with outdated versions and all. Better you also practice with the directories, but the best thing with the directories is that instant results. So you will get an instant result. That means your website rankings will improve instantly. But no, don't only depends on directories. So apart from these directories, you have to perform other techniques also. Okay, so in such a way, are you going to perform only with only one directories?
No.
Now I have
We
taken
have
one
many,
directory,
right?
so you have many here. Just so now you can just open Digi course and search for a no, like a blog commenting, then you will find. So even you can directly search on Google also, directory submission sites list. So here it shows you again directory submission sites list. So just go through each and every website and just select the category. So again, why am I selecting the category? Why?
So it should be relevant, right, to our.
It should be relevant, right? So I'm checking a domain authority, page authority, that's fine, but I have to check the relevancy also, right? So relevancy plays a vital role here. That is the reason many people are saying that directories are outdated, but if you choose the best category, then it would be good. In such a way, you have to perform all these directories. So you have a lot of tasks today anyhow, don't worry. All right. So the next process is that blog commenting. What is this blog commenting? Now I wrote a blog, right? Here I just wrote a blog. when someone comes to my website, so they will just start reading my blog over here, and if they scroll down they can see some commenting section. For every blog you might have noticed, right? So why the people are showing you the commenting section?
So that we should comment.
So what will get if I comment, if they will comment to my blog and all?
Viewership will increase.
Okay, good. Next.
It's
Get
like a
a
reviews, right? Like they'll also go through the reviews first.
So
and like
definitely when you read any blog, will you read a comments or not? Tell me in your case.
Depends. Like if we got the information, then we won't come down. If not,
Oh,
like we'll cross check
for
with the
everything
reviews. Yeah.
for everything we'll try to check the reviews, right? When you
Yes.
want to install any app, you'll see the reviews, right?
Yeah.
So when you want to purchase any product, you'll see the reviews. So
Yes.
we are habituated to see some reviews and to see some comments. Why? Because we'll get to know what others are thinking about that particular product and all.
Exactly.
So here,
yeah.
we choose this blog commenting is also one of the medium to get a quality backlinks. How? Let us see. So how means just go to the commenting sections of each and every blog, okay, and try to comment over there and give your website details. What happens here when someone tries to read your comment? So if your comment is very attractive and if your comment is very genuine, definitely those people can redirect to your website. Am I right? Why? Because your comment is that attractive. So first of all, in order to give an attractive comment, just try to read what they are providing you, what type of content they have. So just give them a genuine content again. Okay, now let us see how we can do this again. So again, you need to find out the directory submissions. Sorry, what is that? Blog comment. Blog commenting. So here 300 plus high TA blog commenting sites list. So then again, what is blog commenting? Okay, benefits of doing this blog commenting. So you will increase the visibility. You can gain a good traffic and all. So you'll get a relevant backlinks. Steps to be performed. So here I just wrote steps to be performed for doing blog commenting. The next I listed out few websites here. Okay, so here you can see the right side D and P also have mentioned, right? So in such a way, just go through each and every website. So again, here automatically I have shown you the D and PA. Do you need to check again?
No.
No need.
Not required, right? So why? Because I
Yeah.
have already shown you like DA and PA. So the next thing you need to check is that relevancy, right? So for
Exactly.
directory submissions, you don't need to check in relevancy. Why? Because you're just choosing a category. But whereas blog commenting sites, do you need to check a relevancy or not? You need to check relevancy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me go with one of the blog website, copyblogger.com, 19th, and it has a 78 and 60 domain and page authority. This is the website I have taken, words that work for smarter and digital marketing and sales. Now tell me, is this relevant to my website or not?
Yes. Relevant.
Yes, it's relevant. So here again, they have a few blogs like SMS versus email, how to leverage social media, how to write 16 no-code articles when you only have the root of. Let me just go and click this. This is a blog, right? So here they had a blog event, so it's a podcast, I think. Yeah. Copy blogger partners. In this episode, Daryl and Tim also talked about. So try to read what they are providing simply. Okay. The next, so if I scroll down here, I can see the commenting. So comment. Okay, so many comments, right? Thanks for awesome post. I always had doubts regarding mails and SMS, as I was quite confused on which to use. That podcast clarified. Okay. Good. So here I tried reading some comments. So if I scroll down, can you see the commenting section or not? Now can I comment here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll comment here. So first of all, before commenting, try to know what they are providing you, what kind of content it is. Okay.
when you're commenting, do we need to choose specific keywords here or?
Not required, not required. See here, great blog. So again, this website owner has to accept our, comment first of all. Okay, so if he accept our comment, only our comment will be displayed in the commenting section.
Okay.
So again, if it is like a spammy, so will anyone accept your comment? No.
No.
So if you push all the keywords and all, so if you redirect the customer to your website, no one will accept it. So that is the reason. Think and then write comment. Okay.
So we'll only comment on the page, right? So like whatever our experience with our page.
The topic.
Yes. That is the reason. So you need to write. You need to read the content first of all. Okay. So don't think that as it is a time wasting process. Why it will be wasting? So you will be getting to know few things, right? If you read a blog.
Yeah, information.
So try to read it.
Yeah.
Can we have this section in our web blogging site also, blogging page?
Yeah. Now, if you open your website, also you can see commenting section in your website too.
Like name, email, and website.
Yes, even I have, right?
Okay. So do we need some any
not
plugin
required.
to have that?
Not required. So automatically it will be available here. So now in the dashboard, do you have a commenting section, Rafi?
Yes, I think we have. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am,
right?
we have.
So
Yeah.
you don't need to install any kind of plugins. So automatically that comment section will be applicable for each and every page and blogs.
So if you want to check, we have to come and check the comments. It's not that it will be directed to some email or something.
It will be visible in your dashboard directly.
Okay.
So you can directly check it in your dashboard.
Any option for reply?
Reply, yes. There itself you can directly reply.
Yeah, directly to the post.
Directly.
Okay.
So here, here I just wrote some comment here, so you can name it. So here, instead of giving your name, so give a name of your company, like Busy Course. So email, then website. So which website I have to give?
Course.
DigiCourse, our
The
website.
website, our website simply. Okay, so comment, fine. Then post a comment. So our comment is not approved yet. Your comment is awaiting moderation. Okay. So he will check our comment, and if it looks like a spammy, no one will accept your comment. Okay, make sure that again. So make sure that it looks like a genuine, and try to read a content and comment it. So when someone here comes to read my comment, definitely they can redirect to my website, as because I gave the website URL, right? So this is one way also. This is also one way where you can get a traffic as well as a backlink. So many people earlier used to get a lot of backlinks only depending on this blog commenting. Okay, but it is very easy, right? So as it is easy, many people are trying to do this only blog commenting and directory submission. So that is the reason Google started giving a less priority for this blog commenting and directory submissions. Okay, so but you have to do it parallelly. You have to work on each and every technique. Okay, right? This is also one of the best technique you can do, basic thing. Then now let us get into this web 2.0 sites. Okay, so here directory submissions, blog commenting, you are requesting others to give a backlink. Am I right?
Yeah.
So directly getting into the other websites and you are requesting them to give a backlink. But so I got an idea. Instead of requesting others to give us a backlink, so I will create a multiple websites on my own. So like 100 websites I'll create, and I'll write a content on all those 100 websites, and I will give a backlink to my original website. Can I do that?
No.
Yes,
That will
yes,
be
madam. I
You
can do.
can.
It will track
You can-
IP.
Possible.
Sorry,
It will track IP address, I think.
I'll create multiple websites now. So anyone can have a multiple websites. Now Rafi can have a 200 other websites. Sumit can have a 500 website. Yashwant can have a thousands of websites. It's up to us actually. So can I have a hundreds of websites?
Yes.
If all of them are linked with one email address, then I don't think Google will permit that.
So I'll purchase, right? So what happens here? I'll just enter into a GoDaddy or any SiteGround kinds of service provider. I'll purchase domain and hosting. I have a money I can maintain. What's problem with the Google?
It will be expensive and not practical.
See here, the very good answer, right? Expensive. See how much it is charging you for having just one website. 4,000
3
shares.
to 5.
4,000.
Yeah.
4,000.
4,000, let us take it like, okay, 5,000. So by taking like SSL certificate or other securities under 5,000. Tell me 5 into 100, how much?
5 lakh.
5 lakhs.
So just to get a backlinks, just to improve the traffic, just to get a better rankings to your website, and you are investing a 5 lakhs rupees. Do you think is that worth doing this?
No, ma'am.
No.
So as we already told you that SEO is completely free and organic, right?
Yeah.
So again, you are investing like a 5 lakhs rupees just to get a backlinks to your site. So instead of going with the 5 lakhs for just SEO, you can just invest that 5 lakhs in Google Ads, right?
Yeah.
So
Ma'am, so people will also do like this? So did they have
we
done?
can do. See, no one will do this. Even Amazon also cannot do these kinds of things. Why? Because so only for getting a backlinks. No. So you can do it. There is no problem if you do it. No problem. But what happens?
I
It's
think
very expensive.
if we go for Google Ads, Google will give us more priority maybe.
Right. Seriously.
Mm.
Why? Because we are choosing a Google Ads. We are giving money to Google.
Mm.
Their
Right.
business model.
So yes, we do have some alternative ways to do like this without spending money. That is called Web 2.0 sites. Okay. There are many websites which are giving you the websites for free. Okay. So where you can go there and write some blogs and you can make people to redirect to your site.
Okay.
Why? Because those websites already they have some good DA and PA, right? So when you write a very good content over there, there is a better chance you can come on top easily. So when you write a blog over there, you will be coming on top easily, and when people read that blog, you can make people to redirect to your website. So this is also one of the best technique you can follow to get a quality backlinks. Okay, so Web 2.0 is the topmost technique you can perform to get a quality backlinks. Let me show you how to do this. Search for here top 300 plus high DA and PA Web 2.0 sites list. So what is this Web 2.0? Benefits of doing this Web 2.0 and steps to perform this optimization. So again, here I listed out few websites like medium.com, blogger, sites. Have you ever noticed, like, have you ever seen wix.com? You might have experienced with the Wix ads. No one? Wix?
Wix a logo maker.
Wix. So not only a logo maker, it is a website designer.
Website,
Yeah.
So you
I
can
went
design
with
the website
Tumblr.
also.
Yeah.
So you can design the websites with all these platforms actually. Okay, so now let us go with this Blogger. So Blogger have a very good DA and PA. It is a very good website.
Wow.
Yeah.
They almost close.
Yes, close.
That's all about blogging only.
Why? Because many people opt for this Blogger and many people will be writing a content over here,
Yeah,
right? So
many
that is
celebrities are also there in this.
yeah. So now let me create a blog. So before creating a blog, you need to sign up.
Fine.
Sorry, I just got disconnected. This is about creating blogs or something?
Yes, no, it's about, yes, of course, creating a blogs in other websites. Okay.
Okay.
So that is what Simply Web 2.0, they provide as a complete website. Okay. So now here I gave you the subdomains like rafi.thenature.health.in. So in such a way, they will give you the websites for free. So where you can write a very good, where you can write very good articles. Oh,
Okay.
which email ID I have chosen? Now, I just been to my website and searched for a Web 2.0 sites list. There you can find out the list of the Web 2.0s. And here I listed out the DA and PA also. Okay, right. Confirm your profile. So blogger profile. So the profile name. Continue to blogger. Right. So here we are. All blogs. Now let me create a blog. Title. So what you need to give here? Title. So what is meant by title here?
Should be related to your keyword.
Website, yeah, related to my keyword, as well as I have to write a relevant blog to my website, right?
Yes.
Let me go and write a blog on so what is this address here? It is asking me the address.
Could be any domain name.
Main website.
.blogspot.com. So can you see here they are
Yeah,
giving you the
okay.
subdomains again.
Subdomain.
Okay, so you need to create your own address. Let me go with this.
I think we have this option in WordPress also.
WordPress.
Yes.
Oh
For
yeah,
free.
yeah, yes, for WordPress also. So now I have chosen blogger.com, right? So WordPress is also providing you these options. So you can go and have a one website. Sorry, this blog address is not available. Okay, so DKP123, this is available. You can save it. Right. So now let me start writing a blog. This is how the interface of this blogger.com. Now start writing a blog, create a new post.
Okay.
So title, so give a name. So I'll start writing a description here. What I will do here, I'll make a bold, I'll make italics, I can do whatever I want. Same like how you write a blog in a dashboard of your WordPress, the same way you can do it. Okay.
This is like meta title and meta description, or
No, directly title and description of your blog.
okay.
Okay, then next I will choose subheadings. Let me go with this. H2, fine, right? Okay. Sorry. Steps to be performed. First of all, meta title.
Meta description, internal links, external links. Image alls, bolds.
Italics. Permalink. Next. What
Semantic
else?
LSI. Yeah. Okay.
That's it, huh? So I'm getting some disturbance from your end, guys. Okay. So meta titles, meta description, external links, internal link, image alls, bolds, italic, permalink, and headings. Right. So let me write a few more things here. Mm-hmm. What was that?
Hello, hi Ben. How are you? Hi everyone.
Hi, Ripu. Hi, late.
I also missed before class.
Yes, yes. So tell me why to do some keyword research? Anyone? So why we have to do a keyword research?
So that our website comes into picture, or if anybody types the keyword.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. So So here I just tried writing some content. Then below what I will do, if you is a course more about what I'm trying to do, can you tell me?
Providing
Yeah, I'm like
of your website.
extra, like the in their website, like we are doing like link.
Acha, providing the post link directly.
Post links, yes.
Because
So don't give a irrelevant links and all. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
so this blogger has like all different types of blogs, I think. No?
So different kinds of blogs.
Even I have
Okay.
seen, I think.
You can write entertainment blogs. You can write beauty blogs.
I think
You can write.
Amitabh Bachchan is also there in blog. I'm not sure. He used to write somewhere.
Yeah, many people use. Many people use. So here, this is on page SEO full guide step by step. So what I will do here, I will redirect the people to my website for this blog. So reach out more about
So here I made a blog, right?
page, yes.
So how to find people my blog quickly? Because many people are using this blog, right?
Select the text, and then where it is a link option, here it is. Okay. Then you need to give a link here. Okay. Then if you want, you can just test the link also. No need to text. We have a link already. So you just need to choose open the link in a new window.
Yeah.
So add a rel equals to no follow. Okay, tell me what is this no follow?
And
so I have to.
This link.
So no follow and do follow, you know the difference.
Yeah.
Then tell me.
Do follow, you can click
Only
right.
traffic, no trust.
Yeah, that's what, right? Simply. So here, I just want to open the link in a new window. And if you want to add some no follow, that means if you don't want to pass any link juice to your website, at that time you can choose no follows. Then automatically no follow tag will be applicable to that link. Okay. So I just want to do follow. If no follow is not applicable, automatically it is a do follow.
Do follow. Yeah.
Why people are using no follow?
Sorry?
Why people are using no follow? It's any kind of advantage.
So no follow means without passing any link juice. So if others don't want to pass any link juice, so at that time you can mention no follow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So
you said on that day, like we need to have like 50-50, right? Like do follow and no follow.
Yes. So is it in my hands again?
Yeah.
Yes. Right. So now I just wrote some blog on best ways to do on-page SEO and wrote a blog and then publish it. Right.
So ma'am, in this website, all of our blogs will be posted instantly, or first they will check and then they'll.
No. It is already published. Can you see it is published?
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to see, you can just view it here.
Acha.
Can you see the URL?
Okay.
ekp123.blogspot.com, the best ways to do on-page SEO. So it is almost published. And if you want to share this blog post URL in your social media and then in your wherever you want, you can just share it and people will be clicking on that and people can see the blog. Okay. So when people read this blog, they will be redirected to my website.
I mean, there is any page location, 1, 2, 3, like that Google.
Sorry?
People can find easily.
Have a great day, guys. Chingari
Yeah,
time.
Rakesh.
Change.